handkerchief. Sabi ko, right pocket. Right pocket, nilagay sa left. Is that right? No, that's left, right? No, that's left, right? What's the color of the handkerchief? Anong kulay? Red. Anong shape? Shape ng handkerchief, circle? Square. Oh, gusto niya ng magic. Yung square, gagawin kong triangle. Gusto niya? Oh, watch. Count from 1 to 3. Oh, ayan, triangle na. Diba? Ano gusto nyo? Rectangle. Gusto nyo rectangle? Oh, count from 1 to 3. Dali, ha? Gagawin. Oh, rectangle na. Oh, di ba, magic? Ha? Oblong? Nahamon nyo ako, ha? Oblong. Oh, oblong. Oh, kala niya, ha? Oh, aside from the handkerchief, ano pa yung nakikita niyo? Bukod sa handkerchief. Wala kayo nakikita? Ako. Hindi ko nakikita? Oh. Now, we can... Galit. Excuse me, kuya. Ba't mo kinain? Tayo ka, tayo. Kukunin ko ulit. Excuse me for those who are still eating.